Factorization of expressions of the form a cube minus b cube or a cube plus b cube. Let us factorize 1 plus 8x cube. Now, since 1 plus 8x cube can be written in the form 1 cube plus 2x cube. So this is of the form a cube plus b cube, this form here. If we apply that formula on 1 cube plus 2x cube, what is instead of a? A is 1 here, and what is b? B is equal to 2x here. So a plus b would be 1 plus 2x into a square mean 1 square minus ab. Instead of a it would be 1, instead of b it would be 2x plus b square mean 2x square. So now let's simplify this, and this would become 1 plus 2x into 1 square is 1 minus 1 times 2x would be 2x, and 2x square would be 2x times 2x mean 4x square. And this is the factorization of 1 plus 8x cube. Let's do another question. Example: factorize a square plus 2b square whole cube minus 27 a cube b cube. Again, we can write this as difference of two perfect cubes, which is a square plus 2b square whole cube minus 3ab whole cube. And if you compare it with a cube minus b cube, what is a and what is b? Here a is equal to a square plus 2b square, and seems like b is equal to 3ab. And now applying the formula a cube minus b cube will give us a minus b means a square plus 2b square, that is a minus b. B would be minus 3ab, and into a square means a square plus 2b square plus ab plus a square plus 2b square time 3ab plus 3ab square. So this is the required form: a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And now if we do it here, this would become like a square plus 2b square minus 3ab into, we can apply the formula of a plus b whole square on this one to a square whole square plus 2 times a square into 2b square plus 2b square whole square, and then this would become 3ab b time a square plus 2b square time 3ab and plus 9a square b square. So this is the simplified form, and now we can further a square plus 2b square minus 3ab time a4 plus 4a square b square plus 4b4 plus 3a cube b plus 6ab cube plus 9a square b square. And now we can see if there are like terms, those could be added. We should add those terms, and this would become a square plus 2b square minus 3ab time a4, and there is another like term which is 9a square b square. Both involve a square b square, so this would become 13 a square b square plus 3a cube b plus 6ab cube plus 4b4. So this would be the factorized form of the given polynomial. If we do another question, example here, and in this example we are going to factorize 8v6 plus 7v cube minus 1. Now in this question, the direct application of a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube is not possible. But if you carefully take a look on this one, this is of the form, we can actually break it down into 8v6 plus 8v cube minus v cube. This is by AC method. We can break it down into 4 terms, because 8 times minus 1, in fact AC is equal to 8 times minus 1, which is equal to minus 8. Therefore we need to find 2 factors of 8 whose difference is equal to 7, and we have found those factors 8 and 1, and that's what we did. And now we can take a look that this is one group, this is the second group. If we take common 8v cube from here, v cube plus 1 here, minus 1 can be taken common here, v cube plus 1 over here, and now from both of these groups this is common. Therefore we have 8v cube minus 1 time v cube plus 1. And now if you take a look here, this could be written as 2v power 3 minus 1 power 3. So this is of the form a cube minus b cube, and at the same time the second factor v cube plus 1 cube is of the form a cube plus b cube. Therefore we apply both the formulas on these factors, and here we have 2v minus 1 into 2v square mean 4v square plus 1 times 2v would be 2v, and plus 1 here into formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b mean v plus 1 into v square minus v times 1, which would be v plus 1, and these are all the required factors. So we can rewrite them to v minus 1 into v plus 1 into 4v square plus 2v plus 1 time v square minus v plus 1. These are the required factors. And now just one last question. 64 example, factorize 64a cube minus 343b cube minus 4a plus 7b. Now these first two terms can be seen as difference of perfect cube. Therefore I can write it 4a whole cube minus 7b whole cube, because 7 times 7 times 7, that's 343, minus, and if from the last if we take common negative, and inside we will be left with 4a minus 7b, and on this part of the polynomial we can apply the formula, which would be equal to 4a minus 7b into 4a square plus 4a times 7b plus 7b square minus 4a minus 7b, and if we take common this 4a minus 7b from here and from here, we can see that 4a minus 7b is common, and we can write 4a minus 7b only one time as common, and the inside 4a square will become 16a square plus 28a b plus 49 b square minus 1, and these are the required factors. And this is how we can factorize the sum of perfect cubes or difference of perfect cubes, and sometime we have to work to reduce the given polynomial into this form. And see you in the next video.